Hello, I'm reading for you a poem called Come Home, calling back aspects of myself. Actually, this poem was inspired by a revelation I got uh, that we've lived many lives. You know that saying, everlasting life? Yeah, everlasting life means you've lived before. This is not your first go around. Who knows where we've lived? I don't know. That is, a more in depth kind of conversation. But because we've lived many lives, our soul has journeyed through, who knows, millions and millions of lives. Sometimes when there's trauma that happens, aspects of our soul crack off, aspects of us stay who knows where. It's like when supposing you went to a boarding school, you know, you move on, life goes on, but an aspect of you somehow is still lingering in all places you went to. Sometimes it's too small that it's insignificant. Sometimes it's too big that you're always drawn back to that place because an aspect of you is there. So this a poem is more like a prayer to call back all pieces of you, all aspects of you, wherever they are, because how will you be whole if aspects of you are lingering in other places? Does this guarantee that you'll get all aspects of you? I don't know, but at least you'll get something. I like to read this poem many times just because it gives me a sense of wholeness. Okay, let's go. It's on page 21 for those of you who have the book. Read with me. Come home, calling back aspects of myself. I know you're floating around somewhere, unsettled, scattered like sand on a. Let's let me read again. There was a little noise there. Come home, calling back aspects of myself. I know you're floating around somewhere, unsettled, scattered like sand on a seashore, broken to pieces like scattered glass, left behind as a matter of survival. Now is the time to come home. It is safe to be here. Wherever you are, come. All my soul fragments, come. Come back home in me. I am grounded to this new life, enjoying the earth experience to the fullest, exploring the wondrous beauty of my existence, nature, people, and all. Come home to self. I love love. I live love. Welcome home. Welcome back to self. I hope you enjoy this poem. It's Keroy. Talk to you soon. Bye.